Hey, how are you doing? My name's Christian. I don't know if you're coming from YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram, but whatever you're watching this on, thank you for joining me. Today we're going to be talking about exactly how you can set alerts in TradingView so that way you don't have to spend time staring at the charts or checking it every couple of hours just to see exactly where you are in the market, right? Whether you're investing or whatever you need to set an alarm for, right? And today I'm going to be breaking down exactly how you can do that, the easiest way you can actually set an alarm for yourself, right? So right now we're looking at the Australian dollar and the Canadian dollar. The markets in general has been going down. Now this is not how I would trade at all, but let's just use this as an example hypothetically, right? So markets going down in majority, and now it's going towards an uptrend, right? So hypothetically, let's go ahead and get into this so I can show you exactly how you can set an alert in a trade that you're taking, right? So let's say I wanted to buy in this example, right? So I would have my stop loss, let's say roughly 126 pips, right? 126 pips. So I'm going to put a red arrow. Matter of fact, hold on a second. I'm going to put a red arrow here as a stop loss. 120 pips. And let's say I'm going for a 200 pip take profit, right? We're going to use, actually no, let me do it differently. Let's say we're going for a 70 pip stop loss, and let's say we're going for a 125 pip take profit. So that would be the green line, take profit. Red line would be your stop loss. Sorry about that. And the black line would represent exactly where you're getting into the market at, right? So let's say you want the light blue line that I'm about to create to represent when you want to get notified in the market, right? Let's say you want it to be about roughly 60 pips up, right? Okay, so yeah, 60 pips up. Let me change the color. There's an arrow right next to the settings with a clock and a plus. You want to click that. It'll say add alert, right? And once you click that, you want to make sure that it's on crossing. So when it crosses the line, you'll get notified. Only once. You want to make sure it's only once. And the expiration date really doesn't matter. If you have the upgraded version, then you can actually get access to unlimited alert time, right? And you can actually get notified on the app as well if you have the mobile app, right? You can get it sent through the email, but this is how you get notified, right? So you create that, and let's say you got into this market as a buy. When it crosses this line, it would actually notify you. Thank you for tuning in. If this video helped you out, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, the bell notification, so you can get notified when I upload more trading videos, and I'll catch you on the next one.